Okay, this is 1K. Later we're gonna try the new trail, old trail. It's called Sungai. It's a split section at somewhere at 1K. It's a very old trail, but I think the last time I rode this trail is about at least 8 years ago. So I'm not sure whether it's rideable, but due to today's condition, anyway, we're gonna push. So I got so many people to push bike with me, so it's okay. Let's check it out. Okay, Sungai I push bike anh coi. Okay, going down this same 1K. This trail was built by the old pioneer Pat Brunson and the gang, but it's a very technical trail. It's not fast trail. Why it's called Sungai? I guess because it's running through the river, the Sungai. Along the Sungai actually. Up! Okay, it's turn right here. Oi! Hello! Turn right! It's become a hiking trail, as I know. Look at the condition. But it's still rideable if more people ride this part. I still remember there's one part, there's a rocky section you need to climb up. It's very technical climb. Oh! Fallen tree. Lâm sư! Wow, 好大棵呢棵，好大棵樹啊！哇，呢棵可以攞嚟做 skinny 啊，係呢棵可以做 skinny 啊，啱攞嚟做 skinny 啱啊！我哋上邊我哋啱靚啊，嗰度整個相嘅，可以做 skinny 啊！喂，呢度 cut through 咗 original 唔係呢度嘅 original I know is not here。有啲我睇下先嚇，佢冇咁快出去嘅，好入嘅我記得。唔喺度 original 唔喺度嘅。但我睇下嗰條路仲有冇，好似唔見咗咁樣。哇，好滑！哇，冇晒路咗喺度，上唔到咗。我 clear 啊，嗰條路冚晒咗。嗰度攞，嗰度落轉咗出咗。呢度前邊嗰條路封咗。前邊嗰條路我 clear 冚生晒。本來唔係落嘅，前面封咗，落唔到啊嗰度，落到冇？冇啊！冇，呢度出咗嘅。今日濕，第日再嚟。哦。因為suppose 前邊嘅，左邊，入邊係咪 ？original 係右邊嗰度仲有一條路嘅。Okay, originally should come out from there. 我check 一 check 先，我入去 check 一 check 先嚇。 我睇一睇先。Okay, this is called Sungai. See? Now you know why. Because running along the Sungai. And it's supposed to be a lot of bridge in between. But all the bridges broken. No more bridges. I remember, I think it's come out from this area, if I'm not mistaken. But seems like everything changes. Oh, see? Okay, maybe next time. Next time come and explore. Bẹ我攞喺機又係 clear 佢啊，生晒草啊！未行過喺度，你踩咗咁多年都未行過喺？嚇！喂，嗰陣時大師兄棘到呢個，所以喺宋街嘛，喺宋街隔離。嚇？老馬識途嘛？你未聽過咩？過唔到咩？棘住啊！佢斬咗佢個，就係攞嚟吹。可以踩住過㗎嚇，應該可以踩住過㗎。可以踩住過嘅，睇得過喎？我得試下，係得嘅。下次我嚟叫 Kenny 嚟執呢條 trail 咗。嗯，執靚佢，中間嗰啲河咧擠石頭過就得咗，唔使標橋。行石頭上嘛應該，係咩？Thank you。杆咧，我嚟到就試 technical。